Finals course. 5'7", 145, and she has established herself as one of the best ninjas, period. So strong. We saw her in the semifinals make it to the 9th obstacle.
Oh, she is a LeBrec house, Matt.
She is just relentless. She just loves to train. When she can't do something, she will do it again and again until she figures out a way to get through it.
That never give up mentality, that will get you far in ninja.
The other thing we've seen, Akbar, she is a gamer. She responds to big moments. And it doesn't get bigger than this. It's the finals.
Let's go. Get off this thing. Get off it.
And get through, spring forward. But now, the obstacle that ended her fiance's season just minutes ago.
Shake it out. Shake it out.
And that's got to be in her head a little bit. Those two often fall at the same place.
It's always tough, Akbar, when these ninjas face a new obstacle. You have a plan, but until you're on it, you have no idea what it really is like.
Oh, you heard that grunt?
A transfer there. The blind grab here.
Come on.
This is where Chris went out.
Come on. Get it. Get it. Get it.
Great job with the hand placement there. Flex locks it in.
Woo!
And she's through. She and Chris not going to have the same result this year. Oh, my. Now this track star, Hall of Fame athlete at the University of Maine is a heptathlete. Watch the foot placement here, Akbar.
Right in the middle. You got this.
Front of the diamonds is the no-go zone.
Nice.
Oh, no!
Oh,
What a save!
Uh-oh, she's in pain. She's in pain or she's
she's laughing.
She's like, dang, that hurt.
Well, she knows she dodged a bullet. She got on the front of that third diamond, but diamonds can be Flex's best friend because she survived it.
Is she okay?
Hard impact.
Well, let's see it again, Matt. Like a few others tonight, she came up short on the third diamond and popped up and smashed her toe. You know she's glad she got through.
Not much can slow Flex down. Now she's ready for the spin hopper. Now what she's got to do though, Akbar, her heart spiked clearly with that near disaster. You got to calm down and you have to be precise with the hand placements here. Keeping it even.
Yeah, sometimes you get a near fall like that, it can spike the adrenaline, and you can harness that adrenaline to get through this crazy obstacle.
But with this course, you just have to try to control it. Pace yourself here.
Good hip hops here. Come on.
She's a gamer, Matt.
She really is.
I love me some LeBrec.
You just see her. She's all smiles till she gets on the course. Although I loved her reaction after Diamond Dash. She's having fun, Akbar.
She's also ultra competitive.
Come on. Yeah, get off.
She loves it. You hear DeGangi tell her, just get off that obstacle, and she does it. Now going to take on the warp wall.
Trooper.
Fighting back. This
Trooper.
Well, this competition takes it out of you, Akbar. We ask so much of these ninjas.
You can see Chris just right over her shoulder, praying.
Let's go, babe. Come on.
In 5 seasons, she's never failed to make it to the back half of an extended course, and it's no different tonight.
Yeah, just say.
Only 3 women have ever finished a 10-obstacle course. Flex is one of them. Did it last year in Cincinnati, but if she can do it again tonight on this brutal finals course, that would truly be something special. 4 more obstacles, including Dragonback. Up next, the Salmon Ladder. Well, we saw her get taken out by the 9th obstacle, the Dungeon. That was in the semifinals. Here, got to get through Slam Dunk.
Aim for the back, okay?
She got through this obstacle in Cincinnati last year.
But this version's much harder, more moves, and the ball's at different heights. Get to the first one. Has to switch to the second.
Hands even.
Good transfers. God, she is such a strong athlete. So focused. I love the precision we're seeing out of Flex. What an athlete.
Matt, you can bottle up and sell that type of focus. Come on,
Here
come on.
we go.
Nice.
Ooh, we're going to see the first woman tackling Dragonback.
awesome.
Only a few ninjas have even reached this point. Even fewer have gotten past Dragonback. If she can do it, truly an amazing accomplishment.
I think she knows what it takes to beat this 9th obstacle. This dragon has been spitting out fire. She's got to go fire with fire.
Here we go. Flex LeBrec on this 9th obstacle.
All right, come on. Get them fire emojis out.
Yes.
Oh, come on, come on.
Gotta control it.
Okay.
You heard the scream. She's halfway there.
Oh, come on.
Oh, fatigue has to be setting in, but her power.
Come on.
Fighting it every inch. She's looking winded.
Fight for your ever-loving life.
No quitting
Come on.
Flex. She's going to leave it all on the course.
Everything you got. Come on.
Control the bar.
You got this.
Control the bar on the slide.
Come on.
She's done it. She's done it.
That's what I'm talking about.
Flex LeBron.
That's what I'm talking about.
And with that, she's in our top 4, 35
Oh, my
feet
goodness.
away from the buzzer.
Oh, my word.
What a performance.
I see the fire emojis just going up in the air.
And look at Chris smiling.
Check out this dismount. Slides down and lets go at just the right time. Barely made it over that rotating wall.
What a task when you look at it. Flip Rodriguez, Jamie Ron, they couldn't do what Flex just did. Survive the dragon back.
This is a big deal.
Let's go, Jesse.
It is a big deal. Only the 5th time ever that a woman has reached the 10th obstacle on our course.
Come on.
But can she get that buzzer? We saw it last year in Cincinnati. Only 3 women have ever completed the extended course.
Matt, oh my goodness.
Casey Catanzaro, Michelle Warkey, and Flex, and she's 15 feet away.
Matt,